In 2019, Rahul Gandhi spearheaded his party's campaign for the elections over the alleged corruption in the Rafale deal. It backfired because the Supreme Court gave a clean chit to the deal. Now, a French court has ordered a judicial probe over charges of corruption and favoritism in the same deal, and the opposition parties have used it to up the ante now for a joint parliamentary committee probe.
It was Rahul Gandhi's calling card for the Lok Sabha elections in 2019. 2 years later, the Rafale defense deal is back in the news. The French Public Prosecution Services have ordered a judicial probe into charges of corruption and favoritism in the 59,000 crore rupees deal between France and India. Rahul Gandhi has once again launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister. The Congress MP in an Instagram post mocks the Prime Minister's beard with the caption "Chor ki dadi," meaning thief's beard. The post has sparked a war of words between Congress and BJP.
570 करोड़ की चीज 1670 में क्यों खरीदी गई? 126 विमान आने थे, सिर्फ 36 क्यों खरीदे गए? भ्रष्टाचार नहीं होना चाहिए, दलाल नहीं होने चाहिए, ये क्लॉजेस क्यों हटा दिए? देश के सवाल स्पष्ट हैं और आपकी चुप्पी भी बड़ी स्पष्ट है।
राफेल को लेकर जिस प्रकार कांग्रेस पार्टी ने झूठ बोला है, जिस प्रकार से एक भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश की है, वो हम सब ने देखा है। वहां की जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिव फाइनेंशियल प्रोसिक्यूशन की बॉडी है, उन्होंने एक मैजिस्ट्रेट अपॉइंट किया है, तो इसको एक करप्शन के रूप में देखने की आवश्यकता है, ये हमें नहीं लगता है।
With the French starting an investigation, opposition parties in India are calling for an investigation here too. Former Defence Minister A.K. Antony has demanded a joint parliamentary committee probe into the Rafale deal. He says the intriguing silence of Modi government points towards malintent to hush up the corruption. The refusal of the BJP government to probe and punish the guilty is even more astonishing, pointing towards a concerted effort to bury the scam. The CPM and the Bahujan Samaj Party have also joined the call for a JPC. The Narendra Modi government so far has ruled out any investigation, citing the clean chit from the Supreme Court in 2018. Bureau Report, India Today.